In this week's mission news, Sepik Mission undergoes ACMS training by the Papua New Guinea Union Mission and the South Pacific Division. A crucial one-day training program for the Adventist Church Management System was completed yesterday at the Sepik Mission headquarters, marking a significant step towards modernizing church administration in Papua New Guinea. The intensive session was attended by 12 volunteers and several Sepik Mission officers, including President Pastor Henry Manape and Chief Financial Officer Mr. Peter Daniel, who will help oversee the financial operations of this upcoming project. Held on 19th of September 2024, the training introduced participants to a global internet-based system for standardized record-keeping and reporting within the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The volunteers are now prepared to lead data collection efforts at the local church level for the Sepik Mission. Pastor Adrian Raethel, South Pacific Division ACMS Project Manager, led the training with assistance from Papua New Guinea Union Mission Secretary Pastor Leonard Sumatau. The Sepik Mission, one of two missions piloting the ACMS in the country, has welcomed this innovative approach to church management. The ACMS membership module, provided at no cost by the General Conference, enables users to manage church membership, control tithes and offerings, generate statistical reports, update church information, and track member attendance. Mission Secretary Pastor Jeffrey Saigomi expressed the Sepik Mission's readiness to embrace this new pathway in church management, emphasizing the importance of the volunteers' role in implementing the system at the grassroots level.